and it comes with 15 ports. Hi guys, this is the Acasis 15-in-1 laptop docking station. So this is the item itself. So the product features 15-in-1 laptop docking station, one PD uplink interface, two USB-C 3.1, up to 10 gig of transfer rate, and three USB 3.0 interface up to 5 GB, and two HDMI and one DP interface. Yeah, means you can support up to 3 monitors, and one SD and TF 3.0 interface for you to put the cards, and one USB-C fast charging port up to 24 watts of fast charging, and drive-free installation. It's in gray color. It's about 500 grams, made of aluminium. Looks pretty premium. And before we talk about this, let's check out the accessories. This is a stand made of metal. I think so. Yeah, it's pretty solid. Yeah. Okay, I think this can be peeled out. And this is not a sticker. Yeah, it's just rubber. Okay, all this can be peeled out as well. All right, USB-C to USB-C cable. This is the user manual. Okay, all in English. This is pretty good. Yeah, the connection demonstration. This is the front. This is behind. So on front, you have on-off button. You can support iPhone, iPad, and hard disk, and mobile hard disk box, headset, and SD card, TF card. And over here, this is to connect to your monitor, 1, 2, and 3. Desktop computer, laptop can come here. Yep. And this is for PD charger and gigabit network interface, keyboard and mouse, and USB 3.0. It's not too big, yeah. It's just about the size of my hand, and it comes with 15 ports. It's pretty solid, yeah, made of aluminium, a unibody of aluminium. And I think I know why they choose aluminium, because this can dissipate heat faster. This is the power button, TF card, SD card. Yeah, this is for your storage. Yeah, once you are done with your camera or whatever not that you have TF card, you need a reader, right? This is for you to read the TF and SD card. Nowadays, notebook do not have those anymore. And you have PD 24 watts. Yeah, so this can be a fast charger, and USB 3.1, right, for you to connect to any devices. This as well, and this is a USB-A, and this is for connecting your headset. This is a 3.0, the normal USB slot. HDMI 1, HDMI 2 for your monitors, and display port, right? And this is for your USB-C in. Yeah, so this is to power this item here. Okay, and this is PD in. Let's try and connect the interfaces. So this is a USB-C, USB-C, USB-A, USB-A, USB-C in, and this is PD in. And you have a HDMI cable for your monitor. All right, network cable over here. This is the power button in the front. So let's try and put this on. This is a stand, and it's perfectly fit. So this is a very nice way to put it on your desk. So if you don't like this, you want to put it horizontal, you can just take it out and put it like that. Some would like to have it in vertical form, so this will be the way. So this is currently how my setup is. I use a USB hub where it's quite limited because I can't connect my HDMI to my USB port, USB hub, and my network cable also cannot get in here, and quite a lot of things is quite a mess. Yeah. I'm going to retire my TP-Link USB hub. It's all USB-A. So now let's replace it with this Acasis docking station. This is my laptop charging on the right side. The power will going in here. And this will actually power up my laptop instead. So it looks like everything is working fine now. I feel that putting it this way is a little too space wasting. So I'm just going to take this out, right, and push it in here, right? And this is so much neater, so much neater. I don't have any more cables in front. And this is really neat, really neat. Yeah. I think I just need one more USB-C cable. Sometimes I use it to charge my phone. If I have a headphone, then I can just use this, plug into this. And if I have two more USB-C, whatever that I need to connect to, I can use these two and another USB-A here. And this two will be just nice for me to slot in whatever memory cards I have. All I need to do now is start my PC on this, and that's it. So right, this is the Acasis docking station, 15-in-1, really nice item. Now it's in over here together with all my desk here. It's working just fine. Yeah, you can see that the network cable is now connected, it's working, and it's charging my laptop as well. So, and every single cable is not coming in to the front anymore, it's all at the back. So just nice. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you can benefit from this video. Bye guys.